Welcome to the virtual tour of Sorsogon State University Castilla campus. But first, let's introduce the course offered by Sorsogon State University Castilla campus.
Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness,
Bachelor of Science in Agriculture and Biosystem Engineering,
Bachelor of Science in Agriculture,
Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, Major Animal Science,
Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Education, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, Major in Crop Science. And now, let's go! Join us to see and enjoy the beauty of Sorsogon State University Castilla campus.
Now, let's get to the exciting part, exploring the inside of Castilla campus. From the gate entrance, turning to the right side is the FTC, which is the Office of Cashier, Registrar, and Scholarship Office.
On the side of Registrar Office is the FTC Hall. In this room, gather a meeting, assembly, and interview.
This area are the ground or the field which is most of the students' favorite spot because of the fresh air, and also in this field conducted our outside activity and programs, especially the flag raising ceremony. So this is the school canteen of Castilla campus, which is located at the ground, and the student center. This area is the student center. All of the students is allowed to stay here, do the school work and other things. Going forward is the school clinic provided for all students, faculty staff, and staff in campus if they are not feeling well, or to provide first aid kit.
So, this is the integrated academic laboratory and library building of Sorsogon State University of Castilla campus.